Ah, shit. It's the wrong way. So now, tell you. Oh, home. Okay, got all that, so let's test this thing real quick. Yep, it's coming on. Okay, come on, Kitty, you gotta stop it. I can't be loving on you right now, sweetheart. You already messed up one video. You already messed up one video, you little turd bucket. Not again. Not again. Great. Perfect. King Cat, you are making it difficult for me to get this thing done. You're making it difficult, sweetheart. You are making it difficult. Eh. Mm. It's a great upgrade. This is these batteries have approximately 900 milliamps. These batteries have 3500, so it's well worth the upgrade. But hopefully this was insightful. Basically, you get this for $3.99. The battery's around $3 a piece, $3.50 a piece. I think you want to pay for it. So, with everything, you're basically paying around $7 for one of these with your work. And the good thing about it is this is still cheaper even with that, even if you have to pay shipping, than one of these that's a higher price for the same thing, and it doesn't have the upgraded battery. Even the more expensive ones doesn't have a 3500 milliamp hour battery, so it's pretty cool, man. I'm pretty happy with it. I actually made a video about this earlier, and it didn't. It wasn't no good because of the angle, but hopefully this one was better. But thank you for watching. Hopefully you find this insightful and inspires you to tackle some project of your own. You can do pretty much anything if you do research and you take your time and make sure that you're prepared. Without being prepared, I wouldn't attempt to do anything that's out of your comfort zone. But you can do it if you practice and do research and are prepared. But thank you for watching. Have a nice evening. Take care. If you find this insightful, like I said, like and subscribe. Cherish your family. Take care. Have a nice evening and goodbye.